Hello friends, this is Universe channel and in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Realme C15 or Realme C21y front calling speaker or air speaker not working problem, or if you are not able to listen incoming calls on your Realme C15 or C21y. So before you starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix this problem in your Realme C15 or C21y, simply first of all you just need to go to settings application. So first just open settings application and follow every step as I'm showing you in this video.